Here we come to the elevators at the Dwight Engineering Building at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. And y'all have read the title, right? These elevators are gonna be getting modernized. So this is gonna be a final ride on these amazing 1986 Dover composite traction elevators with Dover impulse fixtures. That's right, here we go. I was just told that these elevators are soon to be getting modernized in a couple months. So let's take some time to enjoy them for the one last time while they still last. This thing kind of shook a bit when going up. You see a view into the Texas A&M's campus right there. You're not going to see this elevator cab for much longer. I have a good feeling that they're also going to redo the cabs. These are your flush-mounted Dover Impulse COP. Here's your phone. I can't believe another Dover Impulse soon to bite the dust. I wonder what that speaker is for. That elevator used to talk at a time. I can't believe these Dover Impulse elevators are going to get modernized. We'll ride the other elevator car now. I will unfortunately be out of town by the time they start modernizing these elevators and probably won't be back until later during the summer. But then again, in case if anyone asks, I'm not going to bother getting the elevator parts for these elevators because I'm sure you've seen my Dover Impulse call station in my previous videos. Each time I come across a Dover Impulse elevator, especially here in College Station, I already have a Dover Impulse elevator exactly like these fixtures, so I am certainly not going to bother getting more parts, especially if it's a classic Dover Traditional or Dover Impulse, because I already have a bunch of those fixtures in my collection. So just in case if you're wondering. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get the other elevator car now. And something to know about this call station, see, it's usually the call station plate is like vertically mounted, but in this case it is horizontal, which is quite interesting and rare. It's not very common to see that every day. And would you listen to this? That is just lovely. Notice the blinking of the indicator bulb definitely tells you that these elevators are relay logic control. This one's a little bit darker than the other one. And notice how the COP is flush mounted. It's not your usual surface mounted COP with that has like the lines around like on a regular Dover Impulse. Well, I don't know if it's surface mounted, the one that have that like the lines around the COP. But as far as I know, this is surface mounted is if they have like a plate bolted onto the flush mounted wall, like the one. Like the former Dover Impulse elevator at the Psychology building, as well as the one example of one of the Dover impulse elevators at the Student Rec Center. Anyways, there's your ADA compliant phone. I mean, no, this is non-ADA compliant, I'm sorry. But anyways, we're gonna get a close view of that indicator in full detail. So with that being said, I'm gonna take this up to 8. Here we go. Let's take it back down to G. Here we go. All right, before we go, I'm gonna get a full detail cab view. I don't want that indicator to keep ringing because there are people studying in the lobby and I don't want to cause a disruption. But anyways, this is what the elevator cab looks like, which sadly is not going to be around for much longer. I wonder what that is. Try to get a much detailed view of these fixtures while I can. I also do have a firefighter's elevator sign back at home in my collection as well. So we'll get one last view of these fixtures and we're gonna go ahead and exit and say a final farewell to these elevators because they have been in my videos for quite some time when I came here and filmed at Texas A&M. And we're going up, nice. I think somebody called it. Oh, what do you know? That was a phantom call. Okay. That was quite interesting. Typical Dover behavior. Well, anyways, I think I'm going to do a dual indicator this time. I kind of want to do a dual indicator since the lights are a little bit dim and we can see the indicators. So I thought we'd do something like this. This will be the one last ride and we'll go ahead and call it a day. Hopefully there's no one there. All right, let's watch it close. There it goes. And that's it.